Good morning children. Today I am going to teach you in social subject Sem 2 children. Sem 2 textbook lesson number 1 good manners. Lesson number 1 good manners page number 144. Page number 144 good manners. Lesson number 1 good manners. Okay. Good manners is not just proper eating. Children, how to behave yourself, how to talk with others, that is also good manners. While eating, you have to maintain some good manners. Okay, while talking with others, elders, you have to say like a few kind words. That is also a good manners. In school, you have to do some good manners. Okay, good manners is not just proper eating. It is also being kind to others. It is also being kind to others. You have to talk very politely, very kindly. Okay, you have to help each other. These are the good manners. Yes or no, children? You children are nice, you children are very smart, you children are very good. Why they will tell like that? Because they will see your appearance, how you are behaving to others, that they will judge you. Yes or no, children? Okay, you children are nice and smart kids, but other will judge you by the way you appear. Okay, you have to take care. These things, children. You already know. You already learned in GK what are the magical words. What are the magical words, children? Thank you. Sorry. May I? Yes or no, children? Please. Thank you. Sorry. May I? Excuse me. These are the 5 magical words. And these are the 3 magical words are very important. That is please, thank you, and sorry. Okay, these are the magical words. Please, thank you, sorry. If you want something to others, you have to say always please. Pleasing. You have to like a please. Okay, thank you. When you receive something, you have to say what, children? Thank you. Sorry. If you hurt someone, you have to say sorry. Okay, these are the basic manners. Okay, so children, see some table manners also there. While eating, you have to do you have to take care. Okay, some table manners and some manners at home. Home also you have to maintain these manners. Okay, manners at school, in the toilet. Okay, these will judge you. Okay, you are a good or a bad. Okay, like these are the good manners you have to follow in school, home, and table manners and like magical words while we are using. They will judge you by your appearance. Okay, children. See, children, here some basic good manners. Okay, you have to follow these good manners. Then only you will become a very good boy, good girl. Okay, see, do not call elders by names. Few children will call parents their names. Okay, you should not call elders by their names. Okay, you have to call like uncle, aunt, mommy, daddy, like that. You have to call, but do not call elders by their names. Okay, next, greet someone when they came to your home or house. Okay, greet someone when they come to your house. Somebody, some relation, your friends. Okay, if they come to your home, means you have to say greet, like a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, like that. Hi, how are you? Like that. You have to greet someone when they come to your house. Okay, you have to greet. Okay, how are you? Okay, like that you have to greet. Okay, say please and thank you. Say please. I have already told you. Say please. If you want something from others, you have please. Can you please give me a pencil? Can you please give me a eraser? Like that you have to say always please. Okay. Then after you got this one, you have to say thank you. Thank you. Okay. These are the basic magical words you have to use. Okay. Say please and thank you. Okay, children, do not use offensive language. Okay, these are, be careful, children. You should not use offensive language like a bad words. Okay, you should not use bad words. You have to be careful. Okay, say sorry when you bump into someone. If something by incident if happened means you have to say sorry. Okay, sorry when you bump into someone, when you hurt someone, you have to say sorry. Okay, next, wait for your turn and do not interrupt when others are speaking. Few children always will interrupt. Few elders will speak. They are speaking some issues means in the middle they'll come and they'll speak. You should not speak in the middle. Wait for your turn and do not interrupt when others are speaking. If you want to say something in the middle, you have to say excuse me. Okay, excuse me. This is the main good manners. Okay, wait for your turn and do not interrupt when others are speaking. You should not interrupt when others are speaking. Okay. Never blow your nose in front of others. Okay, never blow. Few children they'll blow their nose in front of others. Okay, that is a bad manners. Okay, never blow your nose in front of others. You have to go washroom and you have to use napkins. Okay, then put your handkerchief in front of your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Okay, you have to maintain one kerchief or napkin. You have to keep here with you, and whenever the sneezing and coughing are coming means you have to put your handkerchief in front of your mouth. Then only you have to cough or sneeze. Okay, these are the basic good manners, children. If you will do these things means they'll say very good, very smart boy or a girl, very nice, like that they will tell. Okay, do not call elders by their names and greet someone when they come to your house. Okay, you have to greet like a good morning, good afternoon, like that you have to greet. Say please and thank you when necessary. Okay, do not use offensive language, bad words you should not use. Okay, say sorry when you bump into someone. You have to say, if unexpectedly it will happen means you have to say sorry. Okay, wait for your turn. I told you, wait for your turn and do not interrupt when others are speaking. Okay, if you want to speak, you have to say excuse me. Never blow your nose in front of others. Okay, and put your handkerchief in front of your mouth when you cough or sneeze. These are the basic manners. See children, here some basic good manners in table manners. Okay, table manners also very important, children. See, before eating you have to wash your hands. Okay, that we already know, right? You have to wash your hands. Table manners are the manner which we follow while eating food with our family and friends. Okay, while we follow while eating food. Okay, we have to follow these manners. Okay, and see children, wash your hands before eating. Before eating, you have to first wash your hands. Eat and drink from your plate and glass only. Okay, you have to eat and drink from your plate only. You should not take from others' plate. You should not touch others' glass. You should not do like that. You have to eat or drink from your plate only. Okay, children, and do not stuff your mouth full of food. Eat slowly. Okay, you should not stuff so much food inside your mouth. Okay, you have to Eat very slowly. You have to take small quantity of the food. Okay. And chew food with your mouth closed. Few children they eat like they open widely and then open and they will eat. You should not do like that. You have to chew. Chew means what, children? Chewing. Okay. Chew food with your mouth closed. Okay. Chew food with your mouth closed. Mouth closed. Then only you have to chew your food. Okay. Do not talk or laugh with food in your mouth. You may get choked. This is very dangerous, children. While eating food, you should not talk, you should not laugh. Okay. That is, you have to remember. Do not talk or laugh with food in your mouth. Okay. And you may get choked. It will maybe stuck. Okay, so you should not talk. Okay, do not drop your food all over. Few children they eat very messy, like full. They'll leftover. They'll keep here and there. You should not do like that. Do not drop your food all over. Okay, wherever you are eating, that place should be very neat and tidy. And that food also you should not drop all over. Okay, and do not reach for any dish. Ask politely for the dish to be passed to you. If any far it is there, your most you like very much that dish very far in place. Okay, you have to ask, please give the dish. Please pass the dish. Like that you have to ask politely. Okay, say thank you if someone has passed you the dish. If somebody pass you the dish, you have to say thank you. Okay, do not waste food. Okay, do not waste food. Food is very precious, right, children? So do not waste food. Do not eat leftover food. Okay, that is not good. Stay at the table until everyone has finished. Okay, you have to stay at the table until everyone has finished. Why? Because you are eating with your family and your family members and your friends. Yes or no? You have to maintain these good manners. These manners you have to maintain while eating food with your friends and family members. Okay, children? See, children, here manners at home. Manners at home. See, children, in your home also you have to maintain, okay, good manners. Okay, keep your house very clean. Okay, we all love to live in a clean environment. Yes or no, children? So keep your house very clean. That is very important. And help your mother in the household work. How many children were helping children? Okay, you have to help your mother in the household work. Okay, shall I bring that ma? Shall I do this? Okay, shall I keep there? You have to ask and you have to help your mother in the household work. Okay, and share with your brother, sister, and all family members. Okay, do not take all the good things for yourself. Okay, I want that only, I want to play with that, this one only, you should not. Okay, you should not take some good things. You have to share with your brother and sisters and your family members also. Okay, after studying, keep your books, notebooks, stationery in a proper place. You should not scatter, you should not keep here and there. Okay, you have to keep in a particular place. After playing, keep your toys at a proper place. Okay, that is also very important, children. You have to, after playing, keep your toys. Okay, after coloring, that color, this one, everything you have to keep in a proper place. Okay, switch off lights and fans before leaving room. Okay, few children they will not do this. You have to do this. Today onwards, you have to do switch off lights and fans before leaving the room. Okay, children? Okay, children, here some basic good manners at school. Okay, you have to follow in good manners at school also, children. Okay, keep your classroom neat and tidy. Your benches, where you sit and do this one, you have to maintain very neat and tidy. The school you have to, the classroom you have to keep neat and tidy. Okay children, and throw all waste papers into the dustbin. We already know this. Okay, you have to throw, we already learned this, throw all waste papers into the dustbin. Okay children, and wish your elders and teachers. Wish your elders and teacher. This is very important. You have to do this good manners. You have to wish your elders and teachers. Say good morning, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, like that you have to wish. Okay, do not take anything without asking. Okay, ask if you can borrow. Okay, you don't have pencil, you don't have eraser, sharpener, means you should not take others. Without permission, you should not take. You have to ask and you have to borrow. You have to take. Okay, afterwards I will give you, like that you have to tell and take. But do not take anything without asking. Okay, do not throw chalks on others. Okay, do not throw other things on this one. Okay, wait for your turn to speak. Okay, if anything ma'am asks you, means ma'am I know, I will tell. You should not say like that. You have to wait for your turn to speak. Okay. Okay. Switch off the lights and fans when you leave the classroom. Okay. While activity, some lab, if you want to go, means you have to switch off the light and fans. Okay. The toilets also. In the toilets also, go to toilet regularly. Flush the toilet after using it. Okay. You have to flush the toilets after using it. Wash your hands properly. After using toilet, you have to wash your hands properly. Close the tap after use. You have to close the tap. Do not use the roadside as a toilet. Okay, maybe will get infected. So that is the reason you do not use the roadside as a toilet. If it's necessary, okay. Okay. And see children, this is the lesson good manners. You have to, they will judge, others will judge you by the way of appear. So you have to, you have to follow these good manners. Okay, in magical words you have to use while speaking. You have to use magical words and table manners and manners at home, manners at school. Okay, the toilet. How you have to do this one? I've already taught you. You have to learn children. And good manners, Sem 2 textbook, lesson 1 good manners. Okay, now I'll show you how to read the lesson and textbook exercises. See children, good manners, lesson number 144, page number 144, lesson 1, good manners. Good manners is not just proper eating, it is also being kind to others. You children are nice, smart kids, but others will judge you by the way you appear. Some basic good manners: do not call elders by names. Greet someone when they come to your house. Say please and thank you when necessary. Do not use offensive language. Be careful. Say sorry when you bump into someone. Wait for your turn and do not interrupt when others are speaking. Never blow your nose in front of others. Use washroom and put your handkerchief in front of your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Next page. These are the magical words. Please, thank you, sorry. These are the magical words, can steal anyone's heart. So use it, okay, whenever it is necessary. Okay, and table manners while eating food. Table manners are the manners which we follow while eating food with our family and friends. Okay. Wash your hands before eating. Eat and drink from your plate and glass only. Do not stuff your mouth full of food. Eat slowly. Chew food with your mouth closed. Do not talk or laugh with food in your mouth. You may get choked. Do not drop your food all over. Do not reach for any dish. Ask politely for the dish to be passed to you. Say thank you if someone has passed you the dish. Do not waste food. Do not eat leftover food. Stay at table until everyone has finished. Manners at home. Say please and thank you when necessary. Keep your house clean. Help your mother in the household work. Share with your brother, sister and all family members. Do not take all the good things for yourself. After studying, keep your books and notebooks at a proper place. After playing, keep your toys at a proper place. Switch off lights and fans before leaving room. Manners at school. Keep your classroom neat and tidy. Throw all waste papers into the dustbin. Wish your elders and teachers. Do not take anything without asking. Ask if you can borrow. Do not throw chalk on others. Wait for your turn to speak. Switch off the lights and fans when you leave the classroom. In the toilet, go to toilet regularly. Flush the toilet after using it. Wash your hands properly. Close the tap after use. Do not use the roadside as a toilet. Okay, children. See here, other will dash you by the way you appear. Other will judge you. Judge you by the way you appear. Do not call elders by names. Okay, say what, children? You have to say please and thank you. You have to say please and thank you when necessary. Wait for your turn and do not dash when others are speaking. Do not what, children? Interrupt. Do not interrupt when others are speaking. Stay at the table until everyone has finished. Choose and write true or false. Write T for true and F for false statement. Chew food with your mouth opened. No, you have to chew food with your mouth closed. Greet someone when they come to your house. Yes, this is correct statement. Call elders by names. No. Say thank you when you bump into someone. No, you have to say sorry. Do not take anything without asking. Ask if you can borrow. Yes, if we want something, you have to say, you have to ask and take. Okay, do not take anything without asking. Okay, children, these are the question and answers. I'll send you in ULO. Thank you, children.